Good morning, it's Jeremy. It's Tuesday, July the 29th. I'm just down at Toronto Harbourfront, and I'm looking today at GNSS and OpenCPN with AIS as well. There's the setup. I've got RTL version 5 with just a simple whip antenna, and I'm using AIS catcher, which is extremely sensitive. Previously, like several years ago, I'd only maybe receive 1 or 2 contacts with a whip antenna, but now you can pick up pretty well everything. And there's my GNSS receiver, and we're just looking at the utility that comes with the receiver. The advantage of GNSS is that if there's a solar flare or fill in the blank and you lose some of the GPS satellites, you've got 3 other systems. You've got Galileo, the European system, you've got GLONASS, the Russian system, and you've got Baidu, the Chinese system. So you got a choice of a lot of satellites, and you get a more accurate position. So right now you can see here, like we got about 6 GPS satellites. GLONASS we've got 3, Galileo we've got 2, and Baidu we've got a whole bunch. So it gives you a lot of flexibility there. So we're going to go to Camtasia and look at what we see on the OpenCPN. Okay, so we're looking at the GNSS utility here. When you start it, you have to find the correct driver there. On mine, it's on COM10, and it uses the prolific PL2383 driver. And I've got it going at the full serial speed here of 921,600. If you have it at 4,800, then all you'll be able to receive is the GPS, because there's a lot of information if you're receiving the 4 satellite systems. Like I say, 4,800, you just get GPS. If you want everything, then the full Monty, then it's 921,600. So I'm going to close that, and we'll get it in OpenCPN. Okay, there's OpenCPN. You can see AIS catcher. You've got a tremendous amount of contacts here just with a simple whip antenna. Let's look at the connections here. So you can see here on COM10, I've got 921,600, so I'm getting all the various satellites there, and I've got for the AIS catcher, I'm using UDP 0183 and network port 10110. So those are my connections. You could also show the NEMA debug window as well if you wanted. And that'll show you all the various, you can see there's quite a few here. All the various satellite contacts. And there's our red boat here. We're located just east of Trillium Park. There's Trillium Park. And there we are there, right next to the National Yacht Club, more or less. There's our red boat. With simple equipment here, we're able to see quite a bit of stuff here.